Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a password protected PDF file in mobile. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome application. After that, here you search for Adobe PDF Password Protect. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Then just click on here, Password Protect a PDF online for free Acrobat. After that, here you click on Select a File button. Then click on Files option. After that, select a PDF file from your file manager which you want to protect with password. So here I will select this PDF file. After selecting, then click on OK. Then here you can see your video file which you selected from file manager. After that, now we have to set a password to protect the file. So here you just enter a password. Then here you enter the password again to confirm it. After that, click on Set Password button. And now you can see that my file is uploading. Now my file has been uploaded with protected password. After that, here you click on Download button to download the file. Now my file has been downloaded, and now if I open it, then you can see that this file cannot be opened because this file is protected with password. Now here, if you want to open your file, then here you enter the password and then click on Open. Now you can see that my file has been opened. So by this process, you can protect your PDF file with password easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.